Bitcoin continued dropping, and I have one question: will this drop continue? As you can see, we have this downward structure. A few days ago, exactly 5 days ago, I wrote to you about this potential plan. In the case of consolidation, look for a trend continuation, because chances to take 60, 65 are huge. And what BTC did? Consolidation, and at this moment BTC continued dropping. That's the reason why you need to push like, subscribe, turn on the bell, because you will get updates about those best plans that I share with you on crypto on a planet. Once more, at this moment we have this downward structure, and our major goal is to follow that structure, because there is no any evidence that there would be reversal. There is no structure break, there is no signal of absorption, there is no massive volume spike. That's a reason why at this moment we must continue it. But where we can take a trade, honestly, best option to take a trade would be in a case of retest of VWAP, because as you can see, price at this moment far from VWAP. That's a reason why at this moment key area for me to take short would be around 74.75, and the major target of course would be to take this entire range low from 60 to 65. Why this entire area? Because sometimes when we face some big liquidation, we don't know how big that liquidation would be, because it could take only some level, but sometimes it can break through. Why additionally this key zone is important for us? Because if we analyze liquidation heat map, you can see that a lot of liquidations at this moment exactly around 65,000 area. That's a reason why we pay attention to this number. That's why, once more, my friend, without structure break, without big volume spike, do not even think about long, you only follow the trend. What about potential long and when they could appear? Before, I would like to remind you that inside our community we share signals and trending plans on daily basis, where we can show to our people how to take trades, because maybe BTC in a range, but we still take beautiful trades. For us doesn't matter long, short. You have opportunity to get inside for free. There would be this link, open it, and all details would be in that Telegram bot. Once more, there is option how you can get it absolutely free, zero fees. Coming back to BTC, that's my only one short plan. At this moment, I don't have any other short plans. What about potential long? Honestly, I don't like an idea at this moment to look for long, because we don't have any volume spike, any signal of reversal. Even this example for you, when there was such significant open interest, you can see massive open interest, price did structure break, retested, started move up, and that was at powerful area. It was value area low of this entire range. At this moment we have nothing like that. That's the reason why at this moment I wait for some significant volume to confirm of potential break. Best option could be something like this: price drop into key zone, consolidate, the massive volume spike, and we use local consolidation as a potential long. That's only one way. What about bigger picture? Remind to you that on bigger picture BTC is still below VWAP. You can see global trend is still down. There still easily can be one leg down to make massive liquidation, consolidate, and only after that start new upward cycle. That's honestly my best scenario, and that's, by the way, would be the best option for people who would like to buy on spot, because that would be just best opportunity. What you do right now, you wait for pullback to take short, you subscribe, and right now I prepared for you powerful video lessons that help me to take beautiful trades on Toncoin, WorldCoin, and that's exactly a signal that I gave to our community and how we profit together. Watch it, subscribe, and have a nice day.